Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn Speed Mixed Challenge together, step by step. Today there are no new tricks, just the best ones you already built. Before each problem, take a 1-second pause and ask which trick fits. That pause stops you from using a slow method when a fast one is right there. Champions plan, they don't just charge. Let's race through the easy ones. Friends of 10, 7 plus 3 is 10, plus 5 is 15. The 11 trick. 54. Drop 9 in the middle. 594. Having and doubling. Have 16 and double 25. Again and again. Until you reach 400. Now mix the tools. Cross multiply 12 times 21 for 252. Percents. 10% of 80 is just 8. And rounding. 47 rounds to 50. 62 stays 60. So the estimate is 110. The exact answer is 109. 1 away. Here's a 2-tool combo. Estimate 53 times 48 by rounding to 50 times 50, which is 2500. The exact answer is 2544. Now the digit sum check. 8 times 3 is 6, and the answer also gives 6. It checks out. So here's the game. Pick the right tool for each problem, then sweep through as fast as you can. Time yourself, then try again and beat your own record. Every run gets quicker, because these tricks are now part of how you think. Tomorrow, the grand finale. Great work. Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.